Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to connect Etsy shop to Erank. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go for the shop insights over here and just simply select any of these. And as you can see, it will redirect you to this tab which you need to connect your Etsy shop. So from here, just simply select connect Etsy shop, and from here a pop-up window will show up that they will protect your private data and never share it, and just simply proceed if you prefer. Now, once you have proceed, it will prompt you to sign in into your account in your Etsy shop and just simply continue with your account. Now, once you have signed in into your account, an application would like to connect to your account. So you can see over here. And if we scroll down, you can just simply select grant access once you have read all of these, and just simply select grant access. And now from here, you should be able to connect your Etsy shop and just simply select yes to refresh it. And you should be able to connect it, and you should be able to utilize the Erank platform for your shop optimization. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.